What's the meaning of bitterness? Bitterness. Bitterness.
Bitterness. Bitterness. Bitterness is a sensation or emotion that is typically characterized by a sharp, unpleasant taste or feeling of distress, resentment, or disappointment. This can refer to both physical and emotional experiences. In terms of taste, bitterness is often associated with substances that are unpalatable or harmful in large quantities, such as certain medicines, spoiled foods, or poisonous plants. On an emotional level, bitterness can be caused by a range of factors such as unfulfilled expectations, past hurts or disappointments, jealousy, or anger. It can cause a person to feel unhappy, resentful, or vengeful, and may lead to negative behaviors or attitudes towards others.